Hi everybody, Keith Best here once again. As I was in video making mode, I thought I might as well do this video because it was a comment which was posted in the group regarding putting maps on your sites. So as you can see, if I scroll down here, I've got a nice map for St. Petersburg and I'm on the St. Petersburg page. Okay, now if I go across to the jungle, I should have a map of Tarzan. So we're going to go across to the jungle. Not quite sure where the jungle is. So we've got the jungle. And it's over here somewhere. The jungles must be around there. But Treasure Island. So look at Treasure Island. I love these names. So there it is. We've got Treasure Island over here. And obviously we've got Seminole. So as you can see, every time I change the page, the map's changing. Now the beauty about this is it's not using Google Maps. Well, it is using Google Maps, I should say. It's not using the Google Maps API, but it changes on every page. And the way you do that is this little piece of code down here. Didn't want to do that. Oh, go away. Go away, I've got it. I want to do that. And I go into here, and it's this piece of code here. You just put that piece of code in, and as you can see, it's got the location, the county, the region, and then just some other gobbledygook what Google puts in. Obviously, you've got your percentage there, and you've got your height there, which you can change. The rest of these I would leave the same. That's just like sort of the range, I think it is, the 13. But most of them I would leave the same. You can obviously leave that same. Width I would probably leave the same, unless you want to make it slightly smaller. Like I could change that to 60%, 80%. Then that would make it a little bit smaller inside the area. And then the height's 400, that's because it fits in nicely with that. What I'll do, I'll put this code underneath the bottom of the video, and then you've always got it. Okay, so that's all it is really, just a quick video just because somebody asked for it. Okay, hope it was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.